Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to find the detailed specifications for your RAM without needing to tear down your computer to find them. So let's get started. So first of all, open a browser and head over to hardwareinfo.com. Scroll down and hit the free download button. And so here you're going to have a few options depending on your PC's operating system. So they got versions for the prehistoric PCs from the good old DOS days and the pre-Windows 95 days. So if you're like me, then on Windows 7 or a later machine, then you'll want this version here. So if you hit the or hover over the free download button, all you need to do is choose where you want to get it from. So choose your favorite host. So I'm going to go for SourceForge and left click. And then once on there, if you look at the top right, you'll see the download will start to come down. Here it is. So just click on that. And then once it's downloaded, head over to your downloads folder and click on the executable that you've just downloaded. So here we go. Click on accept. If it asks you, select your language. Mine is English. Click on OK. Click next. You'll have to accept the terms of the agreement and click next. Here you can select a location where you want it to be downloaded. Click next and yes, because I've had that installed previously. Next and install. There's an option there to launch that straight away, so we'll do that. Once you've launched it, you're going to be presented with a wealth of information about your computer. Hardware Info is an absolutely amazing utility, and I'm going to be making a few videos to show you how to get the most out of that application. But for this video, we're just going to focus on finding the specs for your RAM. So first of all, let's close out these windows and then just click on this option here, which says memory. So click on that. And so here you've got a summary all about the RAM on your machine. First thing you do is you can click on this drop down, and that's going to show you each memory card in each of the slots on your machine. So this machine's got 4 slots. You can see they're all identical, and this shows it as being Samsung as well as the part number. So just click on the card that you want to explore further. And then here, you're going to see a line with some detailed information about that RAM. So let's just go through what each of that means. So the first piece, it's an 8 gigabyte RAM card, and that's a DDR3 1600. So DDR3, SD-RAM, or double data rate, synchronous dynamic random access memory. And then you've got the UDIM donation over here to the right, which denotes an unbuffered dual line memory module. And then the 2R just means it's a dual rank memory module. So if you look a little bit further down, you can see that this is a 2-channel memory card, and it's running here at 799.2, or call it 800 megahertz. And because that's 2 channels, 2 times 800 is 1600, which matches what we've got here on that. So that's the detailed spec of that particular RAM card. And then of course you've got the other 4 in the, or 3 in the drop down if they're different, and then you can explore the specific RAM specification. Next, then, if you want to, you can just highlight this line and Control C to copy it. Go back to your browser and hit that into the search bar. And then if you want to, you can start to look at where you can buy that specific memory card. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.